Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at the most awaited moment of the evening, that is the presentation of the 17th Agriculture Leadership Awards 2026. और निवेदन करना चाहेंगे हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय भारत के माननीय रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी से कि आप कृपया अपने शुभ हस्तों से पुरस्कार प्रदान करें। और पुरस्कारों की पहली श्रेणी है फार्मिंग लीडरशिप। The first category of the awards is farming leadership, and the winner for this category is Shri Pasha Patel.
Government of Maharashtra for visionary leadership in empowering farmers and advancing the agriculture sustainability. Shri Pasha Patel is honored with the Farming Leadership Award in recognition of his visionary leadership and unwavering commitment.
Pasha Patel ji, Chairman, Maharashtra State Agriculture Prize
A
Commission.
distinguished farmer leader and policymaker, he has dedicated decades to championing the interests of farming communities through progressive policy advocacy, equitable pricing mechanisms, and farmer-centric reforms.
Congratulations to you, sir. We move on to the next category, which is entrepreneurial leadership, and the award goes to
Entrepreneurial
Mr. Karumanchi Prasad.
Presented to Mr. K. Prasad, Chairman and Managing Director, Prasad Seeds Private Limited, for entrepreneurial excellence and remarkable contribution to the seed sector development. Mr. K. Prasad is honored with the Entrepreneurial Leadership Award in recognition of his remarkable entrepreneurial vision and outstanding contribution to India's seed industry. Through his dynamic leadership, Prasad Seeds has evolved into one of the country's most trusted seed companies, delivering high-quality, climate-resilient seed varieties that have significantly enhanced agricultural productivity. His unwavering commitment to research, innovation, and quality has strengthened the development of improved seed technologies while ensuring affordable access for farmers across the nation.
और अगली श्रेणी है विजनरी लीडरशिप के लिए, जिसके लिए पुरस्कार प्रदान किया जा रहा है श्री संजय अग्रवाल जी को।
Visionary Leadership Award presented to Mr. Sanjay Agrawal, Managing Director, Indogulf Crop Science Limited, for pioneering vision and exceptional leadership in advancing agriculture. Mr. Sanjay Agrawal is honored with the Visionary Leadership Award in recognition of his outstanding leadership and significant contribution to the advancement of India's agrochemical industry. As the Managing Director of Indogulf Crop Science Limited, he has successfully guided the company through a phase of sustained growth, technological advancement, and global expansion. Under his leadership, the company has strengthened its research capabilities, diversified its product portfolio, and introduced innovative crop protection solutions that support sustainable
और हमारी अगली श्रेणी
and
है
improved farm product.
डेवलपमेंट लीडरशिप, जिसके पुरस्कार विजेता हैं आईडीबीआई बैंक, और पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री सुमित पक्का जी, डेप्यूटी एमडी आईडीबीआई बैंक।
Inclusive growth and development in agriculture and rural economy. IDBI Bank is honored with the Development Leadership Award in recognition of its outstanding contribution to strengthening India's agriculture and rural economy through inclusive financial services and development-oriented banking.
अगली श्रेणी है इम्पैक्ट लीडरशिप की, जिसके पुरस्कार विजेता है एग्रीकल्चर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, और पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे डॉक्टर लावण्य मुंडायुर, चेयरमैन एंड सीएमडी।
Impactful risk solutions and strengthening resilience in agriculture. Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited, AIC, is honored with the Impact Leadership Award in recognition of its outstanding contribution to strengthening agricultural resilience through inclusive and technology-driven crop.
अगली श्रेणी है कोऑपरेटिव लीडरशिप, और पुरस्कार दिया जा रहा है नेफेड को। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री दीपक अग्रवाल, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर नेफेड।
Cooperative Leadership Award presented to NAFED for exemplary leadership in promoting cooperatives and empowering farmers across India. The National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited, NAFED, is honored with the Cooperative Leadership Award in recognition of its exceptional contribution to strengthening India's cooperative movement and
अगली श्रेणी है इंस्टीट्यूशनल लीडरशिप की, और इस श्रेणी के विजेता है एनसीडीसी। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री रोहित गुप्ता जी, डेप्यूटी मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एनसीडीसी।
Support to cooperative institutions across India, the National Cooperative Development Corporation, NCDC, is honored with the Institutional Leadership Award in recognition of its exceptional contribution to strengthening India's cooperative sector and promoting inclusive rural development. As the country's premier development,
अगली श्रेणी है स्टार्टअप लीडरशिप की और इस श्रेणी के पुरस्कार विजेता हैं शॉप्शन।
Startup Leadership Award.
Mr. Sharad Ramdas Kale, co-founder or CEO Soctown, will receive the award.
Solutions for agriculture. Shoption is honored with the Startup Leadership Award in recognition of its pioneering role in transforming Indian agriculture through innovative, technology-driven solutions. Established with a vision of strengthening the agricultural value chain, the company has successfully developed digital platforms that improve market access, optimize
अगली श्रेणी है कॉर्पोरेट लीडरशिप की और इस श्रेणी के पुरस्कार विजेता हैं आईटीसी लिमिटेड। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री खालिद खान, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड हेड प्रोक्योरमेंट सप्लाई चेन एंड एक्सपोर्ट्स, आईटीसी लिमिटेड।
ITC Limited's Agri-Business Division is honored with the Corporate Leadership Award in recognition of its outstanding contribution to building a sustainable, technology-driven and inclusive agricultural ecosystem. As one of India's leading agribusiness enterprises,
और अगली श्रेणी है फार्म पावर लीडरशिप की जिसके विजेता हैं शक्तिमान और पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री रवि माथुर, प्रेसिडेंट सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग शक्तिमान।
Agrotechnology PVT Limited. For empowering farmers through innovation and advanced farm mechanization, Shaktiman, Tirth Agrotechnology PVT Limited, is honored with the Farm Power Leadership Award in recognition of its pioneering contribution to agricultural mechanization and farm productivity. As India's leading manufacturer of agricultural implements,
पुरस्कारों की अगली श्रेणी है इंडस्ट्री लीडरशिप और इस श्रेणी के तहत पुरस्कार विजेता हैं कृषि रसायन एक्सपोर्ट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री राजेश कुमार अग्रवाल, जॉइंट मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर।
leadership and significant contribution to agricultural growth. Krishi Rasayan Exports PVT Limited is honored with the Industry Leadership Award in recognition of its pioneering contribution to India's crop protection industry and its unwavering commitment to agricultural advancement. Since its establishment in 1973, the company has emerged as one of India's leading agrochemical enterprises, delivering innovative, high
अगली श्रेणी है हॉर्टिकल्चर एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च लीडरशिप और इस श्रेणी के विजेता है महाराणा प्रताप हॉर्टिकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे डॉक्टर एस.के. मल्होत्रा, वाइस चांसलर।
Research and Innovation. Maharana Pratap Horticultural University is honored with the Horticultural Education and Research Leadership Award in recognition of its outstanding contribution to horticultural education, scientific research and agricultural innovation. As India's first dedicated horticultural university, the institution has emerged as a center of excellence in developing skilled professionals, advancing cutting-edge research.
पुरस्कारों की अगली श्रेणी है एकेडमिक लीडरशिप और इस श्रेणी के तहत विजेता हैं पंजाब एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी और पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे डॉक्टर सतबीर सिंह गोसल, वाइस चांसलर, पंजाब एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी। अगली श्रेणी है हमारे पुरस्कारों की सीईओ ऑफ द ईयर और ये विशिष्ट पुरस्कार दिया जाता है श्री राहुल धनुका जी को।
Managing Director, Dhanuka Agritech Limited for Strategic Vision and Exemplary Leadership in Business and Empowering Farmers. Mr. Rahul Dhanuka is honored with the CEO of the Year Award in
जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं श्री राहुल धनुका जी
and
के लिए।
remarkable contribution to India's agrochemical industry. As the Managing Director of Dhanuka Agritech Limited, he has successfully steered the company towards sustained growth, operational excellence, and technological advancement. His strategic vision has strengthened the company's market leadership through customer-centric initiatives, global partnerships, digital transformation, and robust governance practices.
धन्यवाद, कंग्रेचुलेशंस। अगली श्रेणी की ओर बढ़ते हैं जो है लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड की और लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है श्री दीपक शाह जी को।
Achievement Award.
श्री दीपक शाह, चेयरमैन एंड एमडी एसएमएल लिमिटेड।
And Managing Director.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए श्री दीपक शाह के लिए, हमारे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट पुरस्कार से
Mr.
सम्मानित।
Deepak Shah is honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award in recognition of his extraordinary contribution to Indian agriculture and the global agrochemical industry spanning more than 5 decades. A visionary entrepreneur and pioneer in sulfur-based agricultural technologies, he has transformed Sulfur Mills Limited into one of the world's leading crop nutrition and crop protection companies. His relentless focus on research, innovation, and sustainable product development has introduced advanced formulations that have significantly improved nutrient efficiency, crop productivity, and environmental
और एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां हमारे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड विनर के लिए। और अगला पुरस्कार उसकी श्रेणी है बेस्ट हॉर्टिकल्चर राज्य की,
Best Horticulture
और इस श्रेणी के विजेता हैं गुजरात, द स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री जीजू भाई साबजी भाई वगानी जी, माननीय कृषि मंत्री
Best Horticulture
गुजरात
State
सरकार।
Award in recognition of its outstanding leadership, innovation, and sustained excellence in advancing horticultural development. Through visionary policies, strategic investments, and farmer-centric initiatives, the state has significantly strengthened the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, floriculture, and plantation crops while promoting sustainable and
और
climate.
हमारी अगली श्रेणी पुरस्कारों की है बेस्ट एग्रीकल्चर स्टेट,
Agriculture
और इस श्रेणी के विजेता हैं द स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री सूर्य प्रताप शाही जी, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, एजुकेशन एंड एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च।
Agriculture Leadership Award in recognition of its outstanding achievements in advancing agricultural growth, farmer welfare, and rural prosperity. Through visionary policies and strategic investments, the state has significantly strengthened agricultural productivity, diversified cropping systems, and enhanced the resilience of rural livelihood. Initiatives promoting improved seed distribution, digital advisory services, irrigation infrastructure, cold chain development, rural connectivity, and market access have created lasting benefits for millions of farmers across the state.
हार्दिक धन्यवाद सर, और एक बार फिर सभी पुरस्कार विजेताओं के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं।